So this is my room at uni, and I might as well show you around. Let's go. First things first. Welcome to my humble abode. This is the first thing you see when you walk in. It is where I keep my jackets, my bags, umbrella somewhere, my beautiful ACDC badge. I had more, but I lost them. And then we turn to the right and we have my dining table, which I actually don't use very often. This usually has more stuff on it, but I took it down because it had some personal information on it. And we have this adorable little, I love this so much. It's just so cute. Fruit bowl. Every morning I take one banana, and so I always keep stocked up on fruits, but not so many that they go brown. Then we have my digital piano, which I don't actually use very often, which is kind of sad. A tripod thingy with a ring light, which I've used twice. This is my bed. It looks kind of messy actually. It's a single bed, about 1 trillion pillows. This, believe it or not, I actually do use. It really does work. It sounds really annoying. It's great because I do not wake up. Moving on, we have a huge dark blue curtain, which I'm actually happy I got the dark blue one because some of them were like a light, like teal, and I just think it looked weird. Then we move to my study area, which has right now an air fryer, some books, French books. We have a bin, my laundry bag, a random pair of socks, which I think is supposed to be in the laundry bag, a power bank, and my LED lights, which looks something like this, and my laptop. And then I have this display, which I love so much. Don't question it. Yeah, just don't question it. This is my favorite section. Some books. I've added like 4 in the past 3 weeks. I've been living here 3 weeks, by the way. Chopin, Beethoven. This is supposed to have sweets in it, Skittles, but the price went up by £2, and so I wasn't feeling it. This will have more pictures on it. Considering the fact I've been here for 3 weeks, I have not really decorated. I do love my little piano there and my little sunflower here. Moving on. Actually, let's go here. So this is the drawer that I throw just about anything in. It's the stuff that I need, just not very often. Yeah. Kind of a replica of the last one. Then we have, this is like cloths and like my pillowcases, cloths, that kind of stuff. This is my hoodies, some are in the washing bag. This is like my t-shirts and tops. My bottoms, some are again in the wash or hiding behind my curtain. This is pajamas. I'm running low, but I'm going back home in 2 weeks, and so I'll probably try and survive. This is kitchen stuff. Long story short, it couldn't all fit in my kitchen area, and so it is in my wardrobe. Yeah, very uninteresting. Then we have some clothes hangers, which I do not use. This is like full of like my, like when I'm moving back home. This is like for when I go shopping, I grab a shopping bag from here. This is for if my sister stays over. It's a, what do you call it? A sleeping bag type blanket, I guess. And there's also a blow up mattress somewhere in there. So this left drawer, I very rarely open it, so it's very disorganized. Moving to my kitchen space, and I feel like it's so cool that I have my own kitchen. And this is a very realistic tour. I have not really tidied up. So this is my kitchen area. A toaster, a kettle, and salt and pepper dispenser. These pots and pans, believe it or not, are clean, but they're so cheap. I got them for like £5. They're so cheap, the bottom is literally burnt and scraped. To the point where yesterday I actually got in trouble because my pan set on fire, kind of, and the alarm went off. The fire alarm went off, and I got in trouble. But we moved. This is sugar, tea bags, oats. Yeah, and this is just a little thingy malingy. I've washed almost all my dishes, and this is where I keep my foil and cling film. Although I move it when I use the microwave because you're not supposed to keep stuff on it. This is all my plates and bowls, mugs. I have some small plates back there. Well, I've never seen back there. You're seeing back there. Well, okay. And then we have this left one is typically full of flour, but it needs to be filled up. There's some spaghetti back there, a grater, another pot. This empty container typically has pasta in it. I need to clean and refill it because I finished the pasta. And on top is my cereal. Here we have. This is a mumbled jumbled seasoning cupboard. And then ramen. I've almost finished my ramen though. And back there is where I hide all the stuff I'm not bothered to organize. Blah blah blah. And then down here, a fridge and freezer. That's the freezer, I keep ice in it. A very empty fridge because I need to go shopping tomorrow. And finally, this is my cupboard where I keep all my cleaning stuff. Yeah. Finally, we have the bathroom where I have this mat. Let's turn the light on again. Not really a grand bathroom. This is my bathroom. And I hate the shower because what is going on here? Oh, okay. It's very small, and here's my stuff. And yeah, that's it's a bathroom. Okay. Oh, and there's me repping, of course, the best team in the world. I'm joking. Anyway. Anyways, it's like 3 days later. My room is a mess, and that's the tour of my room. I hope you enjoyed it. Just got back from uni. Probably gonna upload like every 2 weeks now, so